Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain how to set the class path to access Oracle driver. Say, this is a program to connect Java application to Oracle database. File, save. Here I'll compile javac demo.java. Successfully compiled. I'll execute java demo. Then we got an error. Class not found exception. Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle-driver class not found. How to solve this error? I'll explain. This driver is available in Oracle software in a OJDBC 6_g.jar file. For that, we have to set the class path to access this driver. Then it is going to be executed successfully. First of all, see the location of OJDBC 6_g.jar file. Open the file explorer. Here, double click on C drive. Double click on Oracle XE. Double click on app. Double click on Oracle. Double click on product. Double click on 11.2.0. Double click on server. Double click on JDBC. Double click on lib. Here, OJDBC 6_g.jar file. The type 4 driver, whatever we written in a program, that is available in this jar file. Up to here, we need to set the class path to access the driver. This location, just you copy. This location, you have to copy. Select the location, right click, copy. Now open the command prompt. Here, type set class path equal to percentile class path percentile in double quotes dot semicolon. Here you paste that location. After this, slash type OJDBC 6_g.jar semicolon. This is a command to set the class path. This is append mode. Append mode. This class path will be appended to existed class path, because in your computer other software's class paths also will be there. For those class path settings, this class path appended. If you don't write this, it overwrites. So always you prefer append mode only. Now you can run the program. Java demo. See, connection established successfully. This is temporary class path. How to set permanently? That is also I am going to show. See here, open the file explorer. Here, right click on this PC. Right click on this PC. Here, click on properties. Here, click on advanced system settings. Here, click on environment variables button under advanced tab. Here, User variables, system variables. User variables are specific to user. System variables are common to all users, and you can select any one. User variables. Click on new button. Type variable name, class path. Type variable value. Whatever we copied, paste here. Slash OJDBC 6 underscore G dot jar semicolon. Click on OK button. If the class path variable already exists, then select the class path variable, click on edit button to append the class path. If the class path variable does not exist, then only click on new button. Okay. After setting this class path, click on OK button. Here also OK. This is permanent class path. Permanent class path. Now, whatever I given at the command prompt, this is temporary class path. This class path is vanished whenever I close the window. But that class path permanently stored in a hard disk. Even if you switch off your computer also, that path is present in a hard disk. Okay.